Hello, welcome guys. So today I am going to show you some functions like sort and sort by functions. So basically this function is used to arrange the data with A to Z order, Z to A, or you can say ascending to descending or descending to ascending. There is a one more thing is add on here is the data can be arranged upside down, right? I'll show you. So basically once you see this table and if you apply filter here and if you go to this section like sort A to Z, you can see our data is arranged A to Z, right? If you click here and then if you select data sort Z to A, your data is showing Z to A, means descending to ascending order, right? But how can we do it or achieve by function? So there is a function called sort. Once you hit or apply sort function, it will ask you the array. You can select the entire range. Sort index number, I will put 1, right? For the first column you can say. And now ascending to descending, if I go and select 1, it will give me the data in ascending order. Here you can see A to Z order. If I select -1, it will give me data Z to A, descending order, right? So this is a sort function, how it works. Now we will see sort by function. So basically how why this function is useful, because if let's suppose you have a data in second row and your last data in 11th row. Now you want your data to be reflected upside down or your data to be changed upside down. Means 11th row should be appeared at second row should be appeared at the 11th row. So let's see. We will apply the sort by function here. We will select the entire array here, right? Now it is asking by array 1, so we have to type row function. I will tell you why we have used this row function. So once you apply the row function, select this entire range here, comma, select sort order ascending or descending. If you now you don't select 1 because it will arrange the row numbers in ascending or descending. So we have to select -1 for descending, hit enter. So you can see Mitali, the last data is on first second row, or the Vikas, this second row is at last number, right? I'll tell you how why I have used row function. So basically once you apply row function and you select this arrangement or the total range and you hit enter, so you can see you will retrieve the row number 2 to 11. So once you apply and hit -1, so -1 means descending, so the maximum one will be at the top one, right? And the smallest one will be at the downside, right? So this is why I have used this function. I hope you will like it. Please share, subscribe. Thank you so much.